LiveFlow AI just dropped, and here are 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. Whether you're a finance pro, a business owner, or just AI curious, this new tool might change how you think about spreadsheets forever. And yes, you can try LiveFlow AI completely free using the first link below. Now here's why this one's different, and why you'll want to watch this through to the end. There's one major limitation I'll reveal at the end that could be a deal breaker for some users, so don't skip ahead. LiveFlow AI is designed to integrate real-time financial data directly into Google Sheets. But now it's gone a step further with AI built in. This means you can generate custom reports, auto-structure cash flow forecasts, and answer financial questions, just by typing a prompt. Think ChatGPT, but for your actual business numbers. The UI is incredibly clean. No fluff, no lag. It feels like someone finally built an AI layer for professionals who don't want to waste time. In testing, I connected it to QuickBooks in under 60 seconds and immediately pulled live revenue and expense data. No CSV downloads, no back and forths. One of the strongest features, automated templates. You can ask LiveFlow AI to create a custom P&L breakdown, and it does it in seconds, using your live data formatted exactly how you'd expect a CFO to want it. No generic estimates, it's actual data-driven output. Another underrated win is how LiveFlow AI handles collaboration. Since everything is in Google Sheets, teams can review, comment, and work in real time without learning new software. It fits into your workflow, not the other way around. Security-wise, they've implemented bank-level encryption and OAuth authentication. It's built with finance-first standards, which is something you don't always get with new AI tools. One thing that really stood out, the natural language queries. You can literally type, "What was our total ad spend across platforms in Q1?" And it fetches, calculates, and formats the answer for you. No formulas, no filtering, just answers. Now here's the catch, and it's a big one for some. Right now, LiveFlow AI is mainly optimized for Google Sheets and QuickBooks. If you're using Xero or Excel, you're either going to need a workaround or wait for support. And while updates are rolling out fast, that's the current reality. But if you're within that ideal use case, it's honestly one of the best just released AI software tools I've tested in months. It's rare to find a tool that adds real-time utility without bloating your workflow. And LiveFlow AI nails it. If you're serious about saving time, automating reports, and finally using AI for real finance tasks, go try it for free using the first link below. And if you're hunting for more tools like this, I've put together my top recommended AI software in the description, all personally tested after trying over 1,000 tools. Check them out when you're ready.